Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find security and privacy. Then we have to tap on device lock. And as you can see here, we've got the fingerprint, so let's enter. Right now we've been transferred to the section where we can add a screen lock, so the pattern pin or password, which may be quite confusing. However, it is important and we will not be able to add the fingerprint without it. It is because that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So let's first of all, for example, set the pattern or whatever you want to. Tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here just mark the option like to use and tap on done. And as you can see right now we are in the fingerprint section kind of. So let's tap on setup. And here we've got also the information about using the screen protector, because we've got the in-screen sensor. The protector may affect it. So just tap on got it. Here we've got the sensor and let me put my finger on it. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully and try to catch every corner, of course, for better recognition, every section of your finger. Alright, and as you can see, we just successfully added the fingerprint. We can add another or just finish it. Here we've got the options, so here we've got our fingerprint. We can remove it here or rename it if you want and add another one. We've got also the animation styles. You can pick those which you like the most. It's up to you, of course. So let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. Wherever. Here we've got the sensor, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.